NKTR stock analysis and NKTR stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing, you know, what I'm going to do, or how I'm going to trade this. And I am the only person in this space that has done 40,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years, and every single one of those videos is documented on my YouTube channel. So how this is looking like is, there you go, like right here. So in this particular instance, only there's some sort of like a shift and a double break, I'm going to look to take things down. I mean, randomly selling, man, it's not going to be never. I mean, for me, it's never about to be happening. So yeah, I'm being perfectly honest and upfront. There you go. If there's no double breakers, I'm not selling. So all I'm doing in the meantime, I'm waiting. And yeah, let me know what is your 2 cents on NKTR. Definitely have some previous receipts in my, okay, it doesn't seem to have forgotten, but if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. See you in the next one. Goodbye.